Welcome back, y'all. It's Sim from Sin Super Savings, and we're going to do another hair dye review. We're using the Madison Reed Radiant Color Kit. We're using the color MNGM. It's a Catania Brown, which is a deep mahogany brown. I had this other color that ended up really washing out pink on the bottoms, and I just wasn't having it. So make sure you grab yourself a drink and change your shirt to one you don't care about. And we are going to cover everything. This kit includes the Radiant Color Cream, your conditioning color activator, barrier cream, cleansing wipes, protective cap, 2 pairs of gloves. We start by applying the barrier cream all along your hairline to prevent staining and, you know, keeping it off your skin so you're going to look fresh when you're done, honey. And you know what? I'm a little messy, so we're just going to add a lot of extra because if you've ever watched one of my hair dye videos before, ooh, honey, I like it when they put these in there. So let's go. Are we ready? I really appreciate the gloves in these. These are nice gloves. They were easy to get on. I did toss down a towel on my floor, and if you're messy like me or you like to do things late night when you're clumsy, I suggest putting a towel on your floor too, just in case you make a mess. So we are going to mix together our Radiant Cream color and the color activator and give it a shake. And I just realized, oh my God, I usually use 2 boxes of hair dye and I did not get 2 of this one. So we're going to pray that this works out for the best. Usually it does take 2 for my hair because the length is so dry. But honey, we're going in and we can see that it is dark. So this is going to be interesting. I normally do bright colors, so I'm pretty anxious to see how this comes out too. So I just go in and run it all around my roots. Honey, you do it however you want. As long as you're getting even coverage and covering all your hair, you're going to be good to go. There's no real right or wrong way, even though someone out there would probably argue with that. So I'm like panicking just a little bit at this point, you guys, because I'm feeling this bottle get lighter and lighter as I go, and I'm just so worried I'm going to run out. So what I'm going to do, just in case, is I'm focusing on the front first so that with any hopes, if I do run out, this will all look very intentional till I can get another box in. So application can take a little longer depending on how long your hair is. If you have very long hair, it's going to take longer, of course, than if you have short hair. Always start with wherever your grays are first, or just do it like I do, honey, and pile that stuff on everywhere. It is on my face. I'll be interested to see if this stains. I take my gloves off like this so that everything goes in the trash. I'm not making a mess. Thank you for the included cap so that I can spend the next 35 minutes just kind of waiting this out. Now we're going to try this cloth. Look at this, you guys. Normally I'm scrubbing and scrubbing, but this cloth is like a little miracle. Look at that. It's getting all of that off my... Oh my God, I got it on my arm too. Anyway, see, I told you I was messy. I've got it everywhere, but this little cleansing cloth is awesome. It's taking it right off. I will say that I kind of wish they included 2 of these in there because, as I mentioned, I'm pretty messy. And now we have our conditioners. We're going to set up everything for the shower. And honey, look at that. How gorgeous is that color? It actually worked. The one box did it all. A style, and we are ready to go. Recommend grab yours.